Hi, I'm Aisha and I'm going to guide you through the quick and easy process of creating an account on Dewis Cymru. Please note, you only need to create an account if you wish to add information about your service or resource to the site. From the home page, click Sign Up, Sign In at the top left of the screen. Then click Sign Up. This will open up the sign up form where you'll need to complete all the fields. The information you provide here will be used to create and manage your account and to ensure that you have access to the right information when you use the site. It will not be published on the website or shared with anyone except those who manage the website and its content, for example local editors, who may contact you as necessary about the information you add to Dewis Cymru. Start by adding your display name. Your display name should be your full name or your initial and surname, or your company name and town. Now enter a valid email address. This should be the email address that you want the site to use to communicate with you. As part of registration, the site will send an email to this address to activate your account. You'll need to re-enter your email address. This must match with what you have just typed above. Please choose a password with a minimum of 7 characters. You'll need to re-enter your password. This must match with what you have just typed above. Now enter your first name and last name. Then your local authority area. This is the county that you are based in. If you cover all of Wales, then just include the county that your office is located or your main place of work. Finally, once you've completed all the fields and you're ready to create an account, tick the I'm not a robot button. Make sure this turns green before you click to create an account. Otherwise, your registration will fail. You've now created an account. But remember, you will need to activate your account. To do this, click the link in the email you've received. Remember to check your junk folder. Please note that we own the copyrights to all of our images and audio in this video and on our website. If you need any help or support using Dewis Cymru, please contact us by emailing help@dewis.wales.